Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to tell you what is the engagement rate on Instagram. So Instagram engagement rate is a metric that measures how actively your audience interacts with your content. So it's calculated by dividing the total number of engagement, likes, comments, shares, and save by the number of followers and then multiplying it by 100. So why is engagement rate is important? So the first one is algorithm boost. So the higher engagement rates can signal to Instagram algorithm that your content is valuable and leading to increased visibility. And also the second one is audience quality. So a high engagement rate indicates a dedicated and active audience that is genuinely interested in your content. So the third one is the brand awareness. So the more engagements means more people are seeing and interacting with your brand. So it increase the brand awareness. And how to improve the Instagram engagement rate? So the first one, you can try to post high quality content. You can create visually appealing and informative content that resonates your audience. And you can also use a relevant hashtag to reach a wider audience and increase discoverability. And the third one, you can engage with your audience. You can respond to comments and message promptly and encourage discussion. So the discussion can be open not only on the Instagram post but also in Instagram stories. And the fourth one, post consistently. You can maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. And the next one is experiment with different content format. You can use a variety of content formats such as photos, videos, reels, stories, and to keep your audience interested. And you can also run contests and giveaways. You can encourage user interaction and generate excitement. And you can also collaborate with other influencers. You can partner with other influencers to reach a new audience. So if you want to know your Instagram engagement rate, you can use Instagram engagement rate calculator. You can just find it on your browser. Here you can just go to the Google search and then just Instagram engagement. Okay, this one, Instagram engagement calculator. You can see there are lots of page that will help you to calculate your Instagram engagement rate. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.